This is pretty interesting.
Caught that? Yeah, he owns the beach.
It's like when kids get in a fight at primary school and you separate them and put them at one end of the opposite ends of the room. Time out.
Well, there's no one now. Oh, there's another one coming towards him. To the back.
I don't think I've ever seen a plover and a seagull fight like that before.
There's another one here. Oh, friends. This is a passerby, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't want to be involved. Police go to interview them after the crime. Didn't see anything, officer.
Now he's
This
angry
bro's
with us.
still carrying on here.
I think he's angry with us, guys. You think? Are you angry with us?
He's giving us the eye. Hairy eyeball. Bro.
Maybe we should approach it. And say hello. Okay, there's another.
The one's just flown in,
This one
summoning the troops.
This one has a different face. This one could be a young one. Oh, this is a baby. I mean, what do you call it? A juvenile. Can you see? Can you tell the difference?
What, the one in the middle is a juvenile?
Yeah, it's huge, but it's a juvenile because it looks sort of juvenile-ish.
Bruh.
The light.
David Attenborough.
It's the color, I'm telling you, I'm right. This is the teenage.
Is the colour of its legs different?
Yeah, it's lighter color.
So this one at the back is the juvenile.
Yeah. Usually they look a bit weird, like they're not fully.
Yeah,
You haven't
bit
taken
thin, bit thinner in the body.
No, the colors are a bit blotchy and spotty.
Bit more gangly.
Yeah, gangly,
Well,
definitely.
bro just did a spin and scared itself.
Oh,
Like a dog. Whoop, off something, off it goes.
see, I told you, parents are not happy. It's trying to fly, and she's not happy with us because we're too near. We're still talking.
Yeah, it's doing chirping
now,
around.
now
Interesting.
The child is back. I want to bring the child. She's at the awkward age.
What was that, bro?
It can't balance itself. Is it? Wait, what's happening?
I know, it's all curious happenings that I'm not familiar to.
My description of this juvenile plover is very amateurish, but I know for sure it's a juvenile.
It's a bit scared of the. It's timid.
Scared of the
It's scared of the water.
Yes.
Isn't that funny?
I know.
That's hilarious.
He's playing with the water like
Mate, you're a plover. Get used to it.
But plovers are not naturally seabirds.
And off they go. Well, that was a bit of entertainment for us. Oh, juvenile's coming around again for a bit of a.
Yeah,
Doing a few laps.
it didn't want the seagull to be nearby.
Yeah, and how timid it was just with the the waves coming in.
Yeah, it's never a dull day when there's
Never a dull day. No. Always something going on.
Now they've gone to terrorize the seagulls in the See? Guys, they've gone to terrorize the other seagulls. Yeah, I went there to...
Bit of bird politics in action.
So the plover thinks she or he owns the beach.
The kelp gull wasn't interested. That left early.
Yeah, we didn't want to get involved.
Beautiful afternoon though. Down here at the beach.